The 2026 Toyota Tacoma marks the beginning of a bold new chapter for Toyota's legendary pickup lineup. Built with toughness in its DNA and innovation in its design, this new generation Tacoma is stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever before. Toyota didn't just update the Tacoma, they transformed it into a next-level machine ready for any challenge life throws at it. From the very first glance, the 2026 Tacoma demands attention. Its exterior design is aggressive and muscular, featuring a massive front grille, sharp LED headlights, powerful bumper lines, and a bold aerodynamic profile. The raised body stance, widened fenders, and large off-road tires give it a fearless and dominant presence on the road. Whether you're driving through city streets, rocky mountain trails, sandy deserts, or muddy forest roads, the Tacoma looks fully prepared for adventure. Every detail of its exterior is crafted with purpose. Strong body panels improve durability, redesigned taillights add modern style, and the sculpted hood gives it a powerful character. The 2026 Tacoma isn't just about looking tough. It's built to survive real-world challenges, extreme conditions, and demanding terrain. Inside the cabin, Toyota delivers a completely upgraded modern interior. The 2026 Tacoma welcomes you with a premium, comfortable, and technology-focused environment. Soft touch materials, supportive seats, and improved cabin space make every ride more enjoyable. A large high-resolution infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, advanced connectivity features, and smart driver assist systems bring futuristic technology right to your fingertips. Whether you're going on a long road trip or daily commuting, Tacoma offers comfort, control, and confidence. Performance is where the 2026 Toyota Tacoma truly shines. Designed to handle heavy loads, tough work environments, and extreme off-road adventures, this truck delivers powerful capability while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Strong suspension, improved chassis engineering, and advanced traction systems help the Tacoma conquer even the harshest terrain. It's a truck made not just for driving, but for exploring. Toyota built the 2026 Tacoma for people who love strength, adventure, and freedom. It is perfect for workers, travelers, off-road enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a powerful vehicle that can be trusted in every situation. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma represents power, durability, innovation, and adventure, all in one bold and commanding pickup truck. This is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of endurance and capability for the future.